In today's climate, everyone's like, you hear OF, you
OF.
know, and
OF's the worst thing that happened for women, bro. I'll be real, because OF, yeah, women are actually selling themselves very cheap on there, bro. Like pictures for like 50p and all that.
wow.
Like literally, fam. You could go on there. There's women on there. These OF models that everyone talks about. These bitches are selling pictures for 50p, bro, and a pound, bro. Now what the fuck, bro? Before OF, we had adult work, Viva Street, some other websites. They're still running. On adult work, when I had women doing content, they were charging 10, 20 pound a day for one picture. That was what I used to charge. I'm talking 2012 to about 2017. Yeah. That was the price for a woman's pictures. Like a woman who's online, to see private pictures of her, you got £5, £10. You can see it for 24 hours. Then you got to pay again. Yeah.
Okay.
Which you look at the difference, bro. Nowadays they're paying 50p for like a month subscription. You get me? So it's like the OF has actually, what they've done. Because OF, they're pimps. OF, they're basically pimps, innit?
So OF, that platform is a pimp.
Is a pimp. It's literally a pimp. So
And
they've got
and
women
it's been-
online selling their pictures, and these guys get a percentage of it. That's pimping, fam. In the
in hindsight,
finest
yes.
form, bro. Like that.
And it's regarded as something really good.
It's legit, and this, that, and the other. Cool. They might mask it and say, "Oh yeah, but it's OnlyFans. It's not. It's for content. It's for creators." No, bro. Most of the people on there, let's be real. No one's going on OF unless they want to see some bitch's feet pics, bro. You know what I'm trying to say? Let's be real. And OF, what they've done, they've kind of monetized off what I was doing. So they've kind of encroached up on my business.
Has it affected your business?
It has, to an extent where a lot of women now, fam, yeah, they feel like they can do this on their own. Yeah. So
Okay.
a woman feels like, I don't need a man. I can do it on my own. And I'll be real, I don't give a fuck if it's controversial or not. Women need men. Yeah. A woman needs a man. Same way a man needs a woman, a woman needs a man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's be real. Women can do mostly, for the most part, apart from some anomalies, yeah, genetic anomalies.
Yeah.
Most women are suited to do roles, and men are suited to do certain roles, innit? Men are the hunters. Women stay at home and look after the kids. Do you know what I mean? That's the essence of life. Anything else, cool. You know, we can all cut our hair. We can all, you know what I'm saying, do this, that, and the other.
So you're saying
we can all be a certain way. Haven't got anything against anyone's sexuality or whatever you want to do. I support you. Yeah, if you feel like, if you're a woman and you feel like you're a man, I support you. Yeah, no one can tell you otherwise. But in reality, there is women things and men things. Yeah, let's not get it confused. So a woman, I'll be real, fam. A woman has not got the same drive, mostly, because there might be some.
Yeah. Most
Most women have not got the same determination and ambition as a man. They haven't. Yeah, I promise you, bro. And I've dealt with thousands of women in all types of businesses, from property to escorting, yeah, and to crackheads to corporate companies. Yeah, I've worked for corporate companies. I've advised corporate companies. Yeah, so I've been around all types of people.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, it's just the way it is. Yeah, men. That's why most CEOs are going to be men in it. You know
So what about this gender pay gap and stuff? What do you feel? Do you think
I
men
feel-
should be paid more?
Yeah, men should definitely be paid more.
Okay.
100%. That's why anyone that's worked with me knows I get paid
But,
more.
but what if a woman's saying, I'm getting the same results as the other guys, why am I not being paid as much?
All right, on performance then. Base it on performance.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So basically...
women aren't going to be as strong as men. So like, for example, women in the escort industry, the reason why I say a man is required, yeah? Right, if you're a woman working, you are more at risk. If you're working alone and you're alone with a strange man, you are at risk. Unless you got a man watching your back. Or even a woman, maybe, yeah? It's better than no one.
But what can you do if you're with somebody, you know, obviously doing this act?
Yeah.
Your phone's not going to be right next to you,
Right,
is it?
yeah.
And
So,
she's getting tumped up.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. You're thinking, well, you know, it's an hour. It's still not an hour yet.
Yeah.
And he's left before the hour. Then what could you
I've
have
got
done?
a perfect scenario
Okay.
that I was involved in that
Okay.
will answer your question.
Okay.
Yeah. Now there was a girl. This was in Canary Wharf. I had this thing from Scotland working. Yeah. She was making dough. She was a grinder. She was like man then.
Was it because
She had the mindset of a man.
Was it because of the accent?
No, bro,
Scots.
I'll be real. She was probably the deadest thing I had working for me.
Oh shit.
Yeah, like literally, fam. But her work ethic and her ambition, she was like a guy.
Okay.
Yeah, she 24 hours out there, drugs, clients here, Hackney, Leighton, out calls, in calls. She was working 24 hours.